Representative Steve Nass thinks he's found a mole in the Wisconsin Department of Justice. He has an email Assistant Attorney General Thomas Bellavia wrote to the Senate Democrats while they were hiding in Illinois, warning them about Wisconsin law enforcement.
I believe that Assistant Attorney General was privy to information from within the department, probably sat in on conversations with the Senate Republicans on how you force the senators who fled to Illinois to come back. Otherwise, I don't think that email would have been written the way it was, and it was basically telling them to be careful because of the police powers and agreements we may have with the state of Illinois, in particular the border counties, that would be able to potentially go out and bring back, with our okay, bring back the senators. And interestingly, as I look back, they did move a bit further south over to and east over to Cook County, not a bordering county. So I think there are indications there that they probably took heed of that warning and took safe haven, quite frankly.
The Attorney General's office is not concerned that Bellavia sent the email. The office issued the statement Thursday. We are aware of the email. It was sent from a personal email address, and Mr. Bellavia was not acting on behalf of the Wisconsin Department of Justice with regard to any of the matters he was addressing. Representative Nass says the fact it was sent from home doesn't matter.
Without question or reservation, you should not be taking that information home and divulging conversations or assistance to outside parties. It's just wrong.
Bellavia also mentioned in the email he supported the Democrats in their fight against the budget repair bill. The budget repair bill is currently stuck in the courts over the issue of open meetings law, and Bellavia is the Department of Justice's in-house expert on open meetings law.
The other question that needs to be resolved is St. John. He's another Assistant Attorney General that actually had the email for quite some time, and I'm not sure that anything at all was done. The indications are that nothing was done, and maybe this whole issue was being swept under the rug, so to speak. And so I need that also to be looked at. So it clarifies whether the Attorney General even knew that this email existed. I think he should have known, and hopefully he did, but if he didn't, then he really, really has a problem within his department and needs to deal with the individuals that are responsible.
However, the Attorney General's office says anyone following the litigation over the budget repair bill will quickly recognize the absurdity of Nass's suggestion that DOJ is not vigorously defending the legislature's lawmaking prerogatives and other weighty constitutional principles that District Attorney Ozon seeks to cast aside. Representative Nass sent a letter about his concerns to the Attorney General Thursday morning, but had not heard back yet as of 3 o'clock Thursday afternoon. For the MacIver Institute, I'm Bill Osmolsky.